Daniel, what could that present be?
It's a giant candy.
It's a giant candy, yeah, with a ball.
It's a ball? Go ahead, show us.
Open it.
Oh, you need to play hippos first? Okay. Sister got into it.
Okay, dear, me and you can play. The point of the thing
Just let him play.
is to try and to
He's
do
seen the commercial.
You do it.
Are you getting the marbles? Are you getting them? Are you getting marbles, Daniel?
Yeah.
Are you eating them? Is your hippo eating them?
I'm so stubborn. You got it!
How many marbles did you get?
3. See you.
You know how to use that?
Yeah, I don't like it.
Oh.
Because I can't throw it with Sammy.
Oh. All right, let's switch.
I'll trade.
Here.
Give me Sammy. Something to drink.
Wait a minute.
Oh my golly, Wally, she threw you at me.
Okay.
She threw me at you. Daniel, can we see what the other presents are?
What's this?
I'm a candy.
Is it giant candy?
A candy.
Oh, it looks like a rat piece of candy.
Can you find a way to open it?
Here, very well. Or do you have it? Here, I'll help. There you go.
There you go. There you go.
Yeah. See, right here.
It's a basketball!
Oh my gosh!
It's a big one!
It's a big basketball?
Yeah, he knows how to try at least.
Try again. Try again.
He passes it off Sierra. Sierra doesn't know. Oh, we got more presents, buddy. Why don't you see what else you got? Daniel.
Daniel,
Look,
I
your other
don't
present.
even know how to turn the flash on this camera because I'm so used to using the external flash. I don't know how to turn
Daniel.
the machine with on.
Daniel. Hey,
I'll just get the whole frame.
Mr. Oblivious.
More presents.
Mommy, that one.
Need that one? Okay. Go ahead, open it. Yeah, there you go. Let's see this. These are all being blurred. The auto's taking it down to 80.
What is that? You don't know?
Look! I don't know what it is.
Whose car is that?
Oh, it's a car like Daddy's.
It's Daddy's car.
He's opening it.
Go ahead and open it.
It's a Chrysler PT Cruiser.
Trying to get him from being overwhelmed.
But that's the best part.
It is.
Yeah.